Warm as toast. Understanding cozy English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a delightful and cozy idiom, warm as toast. This phrase paints a vivid picture in English and is a great example of how language can evoke feelings and images. So, let's dive in and get as comfy as a slice of toast in a toaster. Warm as toast is an idiom used to describe a feeling of being very warm and comfortable, often in a cozy, pleasant way. It's typically used to describe environments, like a snug room on a cold day, or the feeling you get wrapped up in a blanket. The idiom conjures up the image of toast in a toaster, which is warm and toasty, bringing a sense of comfort and warmth. Understanding the origins of idioms can be fascinating. Warm as toast likely originates from the universal experience of enjoying toast. Toast is known for its warm, crispy texture, often associated with comfort foods. This idiom has been in use for centuries, reflecting the simple pleasure of being warm and comfortable. Using warm as toast in conversation is quite straightforward. It's best used in informal settings and can add a touch of vivid imagery to your descriptions. For example, after coming in from the snow, I sat by the fireplace and felt as warm as toast. This blanket makes me feel warm as toast on chilly nights. English is rich with idioms that convey warmth and comfort. Some similar expressions include snug as a bug in a rug, extremely cozy and comfortable. Cozy as a cat, feeling very cozy, similar to a cat curled up in a warm spot. And that's a wrap on warm as toast. We hope this video has given you a cozy insight into this charming English idiom. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also about creating vivid, warm, and toasty images in our minds. Stay warm and see you in our next video.